Okay guys, back again, and this is again the continuation of our very rare Kyosho Mini Zs. So we're unboxing them here guys, and we've got some cool stuff here right now. Some of this stuff is pretty hard to get hold of, some of them are really hard to get hold of. So we're just going to continue with that guys. So I've got another one that's new and one that's pre-owned, so I don't know if you can see what that little bad boy is. I actually didn't know this car existed, so I like Ferraris, but I didn't really know much about this car. So let's have a look. Ooh, he's got like disc brakes. You can see them. Interesting. So this is the Ferrari F430. I do have this in the Red Bull version, but it looks kind of cool like this. And if you look closely, guys, you can see it's actually got like disc brakes. Most wheels don't have that. So, proper cool. I didn't have it in red. And these are the Ferraris that I think look like Porsches from the front. From the back you can tell what they are, not from the front, but yeah. But that's actually a nice shape. I like that. I couldn't really see the real shape of the body when it was the Red Bull version. They kind of overdid it on that one. But as it stands, pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so right, and my other little car. I did mention in my early videos, guys, that I had a black Porsche shell coming. The black Porsche shells go for a lot of money. I've seen them going for up to £150 on eBay, guys. But this one obviously is pre-owned. I'm not really too fussed. I'm going to use it in my videos anyway. So yeah, this little bad boy. I managed to get this in the UK from the seller. Had it on bid. So yep, it's in here. And I think it was just the windscreen wiper that was damaged. Apart from that, it should all be in immaculate condition. And black just looks like a different beast, man. Red's okay, but black, guys, brings out a totally different animal. I don't know, what do you think? I think black just does that car justice, man. Let's try it out on the actual. I don't like these wheels. I'm not a big fan of these wheels. If you're not like into classics, then yeah, you're gonna say no, you don't swap the wheels out. But I've seen somebody running this on YouTube with chrome alloy wheels, and it looked beautiful, man. Really looked really nice. Okay, let's see how it looks. I just think black looks so much better. I don't know what you guys think. And that is rare, man. Okay, this is pre-owned, but just generally, it's pretty hard to get hold of a black Porsche. You don't even see these on the roads anymore. Like growing up, you'd see these little bad boys blazing about, and I don't know the last time I've seen one of these old Porsches blasting about. But yeah, I would put chrome wheels into that. The yellow's not really doing it justice. But anyway, we're not gonna hate on you. Watch it on the display stand. It's gonna look loads better on the display stand, guys. Okay, and be ready, guys, because there's some more stuff coming up. So these are some rare little babies, and there's more of them about to come up. So, okay, let's move on, guys. Get ready for the next lot. Here we go. The next lot is going to be a box from Japan, and I've got a few things. I'm actually holding another trophy, the trophy that I liked from Europe, because they are really difficult to get hold of. And that's all to come. And there's a few more bits and bobs. And I actually bought some ready-to-run cars as well, which I haven't done for a while. So that's kind of interesting. So, right guys, let's move on. Watch this on the display stand. Get ready for the next vid. It's about to come up. It's going to get even cooler. Right guys, so here we got the Ferrari 430. And it wasn't really a shape I knew much about, but I actually liked it. Quite similar to the 360. It's got that kind of Porsche front end look to it, but I like the grills at the bottom. And the wheels in these were quite nice, because I've not seen Ferrari cars that have had the brake discs built behind the wheel. This is the first one, so I thought that was quite pretty cool appeal of this particular Ferrari car. and comes in the classic red, as you can see right here, guys. I have got this in the Red Bull version. Pretty cool. But I think they kind of overdid it with the Avanti sticker. It was yellow. It kind of like, I don't know, it kind of killed off the look, I felt. But as it stands, that's a decent looking car. Nice shape. Not too overpowering. I mean, the Enzo to me, it looks a bit old from the front now, but that car, it's still got swagger. Still, it would still look funky if you drove that around. So yep, that was pre-owned, but doesn't seem to have had much use, which is pretty cool because there's no marks on it and I'm okay to use that in my vids. So yeah, quite happy with that. I always like to inspect stuff. I mean, if it's damaged, I am not paying much. I wouldn't even pay £10, even if it's a decent one. And I point the faults out if they haven't. And I tell most of the cases it's the front lens that's missing on one of the lights. And I say, well, I'm not paying that much for that. I'm going to pay this much. And people agree, so they know they're not going to sell it. It's kind of like damaged. And if it's something I can fix, I'll do it. But yeah, but that's decent. It's worthwhile being in the collection. Nice little car. Happy with that. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, so here we've got our Porsche. And growing up, I never really rated Porsches. I always thought they looked like a frog. I just felt like they didn't have that kind of presence as other performance cars like Ferrari or Lamborghini. I don't know. I just felt like Porsche was just weren't cut for the same kind of cloth. But I think I've grown to not like them, but at least kind of think they're pretty cool. They're okay. So yep, definitely a classic. The other day, it's really funny. I was driving behind the exact same car on the road, and it's not actually a very. You'd think it's a really wide car. It's actually not a very wide car. The black looks really the back looks really blown out, but in real life, it's not actually very big. It's just. It seems like if you've ever been up to a Ferrari, they look. There's a presence, man. They're wide, you know. But the Porsche was not that, man. It's like a little car driving around. But this turbo RSR version is definitely one of the classics, and it has got the deep dish wheels that I like. But I probably would put some deep dish chrome wheels under there. I've seen a video of someone on YouTube with the same black one, and it looked cool. It looked really good driving around. It looked pretty smart, man. So I think I should be able to fit a drifting chassis under there. It looks about 90mm. So I don't know, I will see. But that would be pretty cool, you know. And these are seriously rare. I mean, I got this kind of pre-owned, but brand new, people are wanting about £160 for them. So it's they are difficult to come by. And what you're finding is a lot of guys are like pulling out their private stock, stuff they've had saved for 10 years, and now they're selling them. So, but yeah. So I had the red one, the actual chassis is from the red Porsche, that's the same shape. The black didn't come with a dummy chassis or wheels. I've just, because I had that one, I thought, oh, it's cool, I'll just swap them out. But I rarely use the wheels that they give me in Mini Zs anyway. I prefer to use my own stuff. or just shop and change it the way I like, customize the look, put the look there that I like. So I will be doing that at some point. But yep, it's a classic, definitely is. And handling wise, guys, you've actually got to take, I know guys who've taken extra lessons to learn how to drive Porsches because the way it just spins out, it's really tail happy supposedly. Well, in the two-wheel drive versions they are anyway. That's cool. Let's move on, guys.